Here we go, folks. Acura Grand Prix of Long Beach weekend. One of my favorite weekends during the year. One of my favorite days of the year specifically. And I'm taking you with me today to the Acura Grand Prix of Long Beach. We're going to check out some exhibits in here. We're going to get lots of race POVs, of course, and a lot more. I'm Sergio. These are my glasses. Welcome to the Grand Prix of Long Beach. We're gonna climb in to the new Acura Integra. I will say, it feels pretty neat in here. I've always thought that this new Integra actually doesn't look so bad. It certainly isn't the greatest looking car, but I'll definitely consider it. This one has a manual transmission, which is missing 3 pedals. It's got short throws, that's for sure, but I can't really confirm too much because, again, the knob is missing. But from there on out, a very nice interior cabin in here. And this one I just noticed is the A-Spec model. So you get some fancier goodies in here. Very nice. David Land talked about this recently, about how McLaren is bringing out retro paint schemes for the Indy 500 this year. But here's the big one for me, the Marlboro-esque paint scheme that Felix Rosenquist is going to be driving. And here's Pato's car, which I'm not exactly sure what it's supposed to resemble. I'll actually add it also on the screen, but it looks clean, that's for sure. Now, I also stopped by the Acura booth in the Lifestyle Expo here in Long Beach, but they were playing copyrighted music the entire time, so I'll have to walk you through myself. This is the Precision EV concept, which is supposed to be Acura's concept vehicle for future electric SUVs, which is a massively growing market as of lately. But more focus was on the Integra Type S, which you can see here, I'm actually inside of. So this thing is supposed to be the top trim of the new Acura Integra, which we saw earlier in this video. This one comes only with the 6-speed manual transmission, a very nice looking red interior, Type S embroidery in the seats, and this engine right here, which is sourced from the Honda Civic Type R that it shares a platform with. That's what I remember, correct me if I'm wrong. But that's the Integra Type S in a few seconds. Joe Rady did make a several videos on this car actually, so you can go check those out. But I also got to check out something that Joe Rady did not show in either of his Integra Type S videos, and that was this right over here. This whole section pulled out of Chucky's Journey, which that's an anime series that Acura made to promote the NSX Type S as well as now the Integra Type S in its 2nd season. Now, Chucky's Journey, I believe, is a very, very short anime, but a pretty good one at that, and I'm hoping that Acura maybe greenlights a full-length anime version of it. I mean, it would be cool to see it compete with Demon Slayer and Konosuba and some of these other really popular animes out there. Just my thought. Acura, anyone watching? Anyway, let's just go to the racetrack now, shall we?
Hey John, hey, I'm gonna get this button, you get this, and we try out.
Looking above, the IndyCar paddock. Last minute setups underway for the race ahead. Let's do it. If you look over there, you can see Colton Herta's, and it looks like Kyle Kirkwood's car is getting ready at the Andretti camp. Firestone, Rahal Letterman Lanigan Racing, Looks very cool from up here, admittedly. Hey, look, there's Team Penske.
Drivers, start your engines!
Nothing like the sound of Indy cars, Indy cars, come to life here on pit lane. Starting out in run third, we're still running the second spot. Follow on towards on. 4 spots on right. Chevy, Honda, Chevy, we got 6.
Make sure you watch it.